Hello, my beautiful friends. Today we're going to be making the most famous origami design, which is a classic origami paper crane. So to make a paper crane, you're going to need to cut 20 centimeters for height, 20 centimeters for length. You're going to need paper that's slightly lighter than regular A4 paper, which you would normally use for printing. Once you've cut out the paper, you're going to fold it into 4 different directions. Start by folding your paper diagonally, corner to corner, to form a triangle. Line up the corners carefully, then press down the crease. Now open it back up and fold diagonally the other direction. Crease it well and unfold again. Now fold it in half horizontally, edge to edge. Crease and unfold. Next, fold it vertically. Again, crease it and unfold again. Now place the paper with the corner facing towards you and gently push the sides inwards so the paper collapses into a smaller square. Flatten it down. This is called a square base. Take the top layer and fold both edges into the center line. Now do the same on the left side, and you should have the shape of a kite. Now turn the paper around and do the exact same thing. Take the right edge of the top layer, fold it into the center line, and then do the same for the left side. Again, you should be able to see the kite shape. Fold the top triangle down over the previous folds and crease it firmly. Now turn the paper around and do the same on the other side. Crease it well, then unfold everything. Lift the top flap and using the crease you just made, open it up and flatten it into a long diamond shape. Go slow here and make sure that it's all lined up. Now turn it around and do the exact same thing. Try to get the papers as neatly lined up as possible. This is probably one of the trickiest steps. If you need to, pause the video to focus on getting it right. Now fold the right and left bottom edges of the top layer into the center line again. This is what's going to make the kite or diamond shape even thinner. Flip it over and repeat on the other side. When you're done, you should have a long, narrow diamond. Now open it up in the middle between the 2 even parts and crease it down. Once you're done, choose one of the thin points and fold it upwards. This will be the neck. Then fold the other thin point upwards as well and this will be the tail. Make sure both folds are even. Now open it up again so that you have the tail and the head lined up. At this stage, you will put the wings down. The first wing goes down, and then the other side. Now you have the neck and the tail both pointing upwards. Pull one to each side. To form the head, on the neck make a small inside reverse fold at the tip to create the crane's head. Open up the wings and voila! You've made a paper crane. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like, subscribe for more creative videos, and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Thanks for watching!